What are the effects of consuming fennel seeds daily? Fennel seeds, tiny yet powerful, are often used in cooking and traditional medicine. Recent statistics show that fennel seeds are a source of nutrients. They contain about 40% fiber, 15% protein, and 10% essential oils. They are also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, and iron. But what happens if you make fennel seeds a daily part of your diet? Fennel seeds' health benefits. 1. Digestive health. One of the most well-known benefits of fennel seeds is their positive effect on digestion. They contain a significant amount of fiber, which helps keep the digestive system regular. Eating fennel seeds daily can aid in preventing constipation and bloating. The seeds also have carminative properties, which means they help reduce gas and bloating. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Fennel seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help combat inflammation in the body. Daily consumption of fennel seeds can help reduce inflammation, which is linked to various chronic diseases, including arthritis. The antioxidants in fennel seeds, such as flavonoids and phenolic compounds, help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. 3. Hormonal balance. Fennel seeds are known to have phytoestrogens, which are plant compounds that mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. For women, this can be beneficial in maintaining hormonal balance, especially during menstruation or menopause. Daily consumption of fennel seeds may help alleviate symptoms like menstrual cramps and hot flashes. 4. Respiratory health. Fennel seeds have been traditionally used to support respiratory health. They can help relieve symptoms of respiratory conditions such as asthma and bronchitis. The seed's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may help reduce respiratory inflammation and support overall lung health. 5. Weight management. Including fennel seeds in your daily diet can also support weight management. The fiber in fennel seeds promotes a feeling of fullness, which can help reduce overall calorie intake. This can be helpful if you are trying to manage your weight or prevent overeating. 6. Improved skin health. The antioxidants in fennel seeds are not only good for internal health but also beneficial for your skin. They can help improve skin texture and reduce signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines. The vitamin C in fennel seeds plays a role in collagen production, which is essential for maintaining youthful and healthy skin. How to incorporate fennel seeds? Fennel seeds can be easily incorporated into your daily diet. You can chew a teaspoon of seeds after meals to aid digestion, add them to smoothies, or use them in cooking. Fennel tea, made by steeping fennel seeds in hot water, is another popular way to enjoy their benefits. Consuming fennel seeds daily can offer a range of health benefits, from improved digestion and reduced inflammation to better hormonal balance and respiratory health. Their rich nutrient profile makes them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. However, it's essential to use them in moderation, as excessive consumption might lead to unwanted side effects. As with any dietary change, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider if you have any specific health concerns or conditions. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe for more great content.